Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Snyk account step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Snyk, which is www.snyk.io. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Snyk homepage. Once the page loads, locate the Sign In button, typically found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you'll see fields for your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. In the next field, type your password. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the password reset process, allowing you to retrieve access. After entering your credentials, double-check for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Sign In button again to log in. You may be asked to complete a CAPTCHA for security verification. Follow the prompts to complete the CAPTCHA if required. After successful verification, you will be logged into your Snyk account. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.